In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Geforce Now on browser. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly access all of the games available on the Geforce Now catalog directly through a web browser. For the best results possible, I recommend using the Chrome web browser. Geforce Now is officially supported on Chrome and Edge, and like I said, I personally recommend Chrome. But as long as you choose between Chrome or Edge, you will be good to go. So visit play.geforcenow.com. The first thing that you will have to do is log into your NVIDIA account. If you don't have one, you will be able to create a free account. So click on Get In and follow the instructions on screen to sign into your Geforce Now or NVIDIA account. After this is done, you will basically have full access to the catalog. Now, there are some limitations. There are going to be subscription tiers, and if you are using the free tier, you might not be able to access a lot of games. The quality is going to be worse, and your time is going to be limited. So keep all of that in mind. If you want to get priority queues and access more features, you will need to purchase one of the subscription plans available. The only requirement is that you have a stable, high-speed internet connection, which is crucial for smooth gameplay. Even though you can play over Wi-Fi, or even if you have a bad internet connection, the experience is not going to be the best. And while you can use keyboard and mouse controls for some games, a controller is going to be highly recommended for most titles. So you can connect the controller to your PC via USB or Bluetooth, and GeForce Now is going to pick up on it immediately, and you will be able to use it inside of any games available in the catalog. As long as you go over to play.geforcenow.com through Chrome or Edge, you will be able to sign into the NVIDIA account, browse through the catalog, and start playing. When you click play, you will be put into queue, and eventually you will be able to access the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to use GeForce Now on browser. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.